Hey traders, thanks for hopping in here today. I had a couple trades, VTVT, AGRX. One of them, I cut my losses pretty small in VTVT. It was really, it's tough to look at that stock right now because I entered it at like 312. It's at 376 right now. AGRX, I trade that one pretty well, guys. I traded it straight off the trend line. Um, Made a little profit on it. Unfortunately, that one was not able to break back up above $1 after that initial spike this morning. As painful as it is to watch VTVT up around $4 now when I had an entry at 312, it is what it is. You know, this stuff happens every day, guys. You know, I just learned to get over it. But a few good trades today. I think you're really going to learn something. Thanks for watching. 315 is the solid resistance on this. Once, twice, you know, 3 times today. This one needs to break this area. Just don't want it to get shut down right here, you know, because it's going to shoot down pretty good. Needs to break 315 on a solid note. Might be selling right here if it doesn't break it soon. I'm selling, guys. I just took a small loss right there. It's 314, 315. It's holding up pretty strong on it. I really don't like the volume on it either. I don't even think I'm going for it if it breaks 315. So it would have been profitable on it. The thing is, it's just so light in volume. Volume feels kind of light today. Okay, VTVT, this one, you know, it broke. I didn't give it enough time. I just got scared out by the light volume. It's still light on volume. Could have been profitable in this trade. Just got out though. This is the daily chart on it, and the reason it's on the watch list, of course, is because it's just a former runner previously. You just always want to keep those on your watch list, guys. Yeah, I do think AGRX is going to come down to this trend line. If AGRX does come down to this trend line, I will try to purchase about 2,000 shares of that. So I think it's a really solid entry on it. Okay, I just bought this at 90 cents. 1,500 shares. We'll see if this trend line can hold right here on AGRX. It's a pretty good entry. See if it can curl back up around, get above $1. Break high day, 110. See if this one can work it. I told you guys I really thought this was going to come down to that trend line, and it did. These trend lines serve as really like magnets, a gravitational pull. They just pulls right to these areas. I just definitely needed to take a partial right up there around $1. Who told me that? Okay, there we go. Muhammad Jafar. I appreciate that, man. Yeah, I took my partial. That was a smart thing to do. Took it up in this red candle right here around 97.8 cents. Just taking it because we're getting up near that dollar resistance area. And these 500 shares I have left, I'm just going to let them ride out. I sold 1,000 right there, so I'm definitely up in profit no matter what now here. I definitely read the comments, guys. I definitely do. So make sure you leave them down there. What you think, how I can trade better. You know how. If you need advice on how to trade better, I'll definitely answer, guys. This is a community I made just to help each other out, help each other grow. At first, creating the channel, I was a little trepidated about it just because I'm not the best trader. You know, there's a lot of traders that are way better than me out there. But I feel like, you know, I can help you guys become even better traders than me. Sometimes I don't trade very well, as in I take my profits early. You know, just like on VTVT, I get out and then volume comes in right as soon as I get out. And I definitely don't like posting my losses, guys. That definitely hurts my ego. It really deflates it, in fact, because this is what I love doing. This is really what I want to do the rest of my life. I absolutely love doing this. I've been doing it for a couple years, and I'm not the most successful yet. But I know the big profits are going to come down the road. But I wanted to make this channel so you could learn from me, learn from my mistakes. I think you can become a way better trader than me. Just going to take a little time watching these charts and learning, but I definitely think you can become a better trader than me. And I'm very excited to see you guys learn and grow as traders and the community grow as well. But yeah, I hate posting losses, guys. I really do. I've had a couple days where I've lost money, and I don't like posting that. I mean, it hurts my ego, but then I have to think, why did I make this channel? For you guys to learn from my winners and my losers. And losers sometimes are the best lessons. You guys are going to learn the most. I definitely do. And so although it deflates my ego, it's really helpful information. I mean, it's necessary to grow. For you guys to be able to watch that if you haven't even started trading yet, or if you are trading, you know, it's really helpful for you guys to learn from those losses. And I really appreciate the channel and you guys. I did not really think that everyone was going to help each other out as much as they are, but everyone has kind words to say. They're uplifting each other. Rather than all the negativity you see on the internet, there's a lot of people on this channel so far that are really helping each other out, and I really appreciate that, guys. Yeah, VTVT, it hurts my ego, absolutely. This thing's up at 370 now. I mean, it hurts me that you guys are watching that, how awful I traded this. But it's just the volume is like here, then it's gone, then it's here. It's a little difficult, guys. What you guys can learn from this is to keep prior runners on your watch list. I mean, that's about it. This was a recent runner, went from like $1 to $6. Just keep it on your watch list because volume can easily come back into it. Not looking the best here, guys. Needs to get a good bounce right here. So right now it kind of looks like a bouncy ball. You see this? Go up, down, up, down. It's like a smaller bounce. You see? We want a bigger bounce this time. We don't want it to just slowly fade away, like a bouncy ball. We want it to get that good bounce on up. This is a next support line if it does crack the area it's at now, which it does look like it's going to. It's got like 87, 88 cent support. I'm not going to give it a lot of room, guys. I mean, I only have 500 shares, like 15 bucks or something. I'm not going to give it a lot of room. I just want to trade it smart because it is cracking this trend line here. So that trend line is gone. This is the next one we're at right here. What would be nice is seeing a higher low. So if it bounces like around 88, 89 cents, this is around its resistance though. You see these three upper shadows? That's what that means, guys. We have an upper shadow, we got an upper shadow, we got an upper shadow. That means right around these levels is solid resistance. So there's a lot of selling pressure right here, and that's why the candlesticks get beat back down. So it retested that area. It's coming back down a little bit. Might be the next go at it. We'll see. I could sell right up around here at resistance and then buy it again if it comes back down. But volume has really, really faded off. We got to get some good volume on this, guys, around these resistance areas, or it's definitely not going to get it. All right, I'm selling. Looks like it's cracking. Selling this one. There's some big asks coming up. Buying volume has faded off. It's not coming in. This one could get it sometime today. It looks weak right now. See, guys, I sold there around 94 cents, and we dropped all the way down to 85 cents. You just notice that, guys. At key levels of resistance, you got to get volume to break out, or you're going to drop like this. When I saw those bigger asks pop up on the level 2, that was an awful sign, guys. Awful sign. That's going to do it for my trading today, guys. I really hope you learned something. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. See you tomorrow.